mwende chinga kia serikali agendera toko mochigwa ase ogotane kibuno muruberi bwa chenu manyekani na sha nkuruoro bokoreri obwikana gochiase abakenya nige Eng'Usanano yaene kiwasi Enyagitari ya Ruiru level 4 chinga kio omobunge bwensemo yebunge ya tika AIKERANA AIKERANA Enyagitari yeyo iri gwakanera abangine 24 abo bagokia korende batangire ase ogotaka n'ESIRA ya Enyagitari abangine abo NIGO bono batangirwa ase gikakimeti enyegati yetatu goika etano nomo.
Municipal manager yangu municipal manager ni kulipia watu.
I agree.
Erufu mia tatu.
I agree.
766. In record
the county
yako.
government has got an arrangement, and I know we are going to settle that. So please, so that we don't have a conflict.
No, okay. Then do me a favor. Do me a favor. See, these people are here. Are these ladies going to go home today?
Yes.
They are going.
Yes.
Let us talk.
Yeah.
How long have they stayed here?
Now that is the history that we want to go from and get from the
Allow me to pay for these ladies. They go home.
No, we agree. But please
allow
us,
me.
and we appreciate your help.
Let me ask you, municipal manager, because I'm not removing anybody who came yesterday, anybody who came last week.
Yes.
I am not interested. The hospital is big.
You see,
I'm not interested with those one. The lady who called me last night, she has been here for 2.5 months. I am here because of that one lady. Then I ask, are you the only one who is there? No, we are 24. And then I have this record. If this record is not, this record is Ruiru Level 4 Hospital, bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026. So, municipal manager, wamama ndio hawa.
We follow the protocols of the
wamama ndio
hospital.
hapa.
The protocols on how they came in and how they discharged. We don't just
no, but municipal manager,
we can't do that.
no, you cannot. I don't want you to discharge before I pay. I am here to pay.
Yes.
They called me to pay. Now, treat them right now. They are my family, because if at all they had family, if they had people who were supposed to have taken care of them, I could not be here, my dear. My municipal manager, if you had done that, I could not be here today. So allow the mothers to go home. Surely, ni wamama wetu. Hawa ni wamama wetu. Ni wamama. Hapana, basi nataka kulipa hivi. Yes, I do. I believe in protocols. Yeah.